Why, if I may ask?
This house is just too big for one person to live in it.
Well, that's true. Okay, I'll get someone and I will bring the person to you.
But this is very important. I don't want this person to know that I own this place. I just want the both of us to live here as tenants. And my identity must be kept confidential. Please.
Okay, no problem.
Can I count on you?
Why, you can. Your secrets are safe with me.
Madam, yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
Can you move your car out because I need to drive out?
Are you serious right now? Can't you see that my car has a problem? And Musa is under the car, so you have to wait for him to finish.
Are you serious? I should wait for Musa to finish working on your car before I drive out. Is something wrong with your head? If rats have chewed your wires, what has that got to do with me? Huh? Look, I have an appointment, okay? Not everyone is unlucky like you. Myself, move this car from this place so I can go. Musa, come out from that place. What do you think you are doing? Are you a mechanic?
You obviously don't know how to talk to your elders.
Who's my elder? Do you have mirrors in your room? Close this here and put this thing on neutral and let them push it out. Musa, open that gate. Look at her mouth. We have time for you. Push this car out. You hear me? Huh? Come, take this thing.
Baby girl, what's up?
Edna, when did you say you were coming back?
Next month.
What? Edna, next month is too far.
I haven't seen my parents for a long time, so I need to spend enough time with them, so that they'll stop missing me. So just bear with me, okay?
It's okay, I understand. It's just that it's quite boring around here. Just being here in this big house is tiring.
Oh, I know. Okay, so why don't you go on a vacation in Dubai or Canada?
Edna, for how long will I keep going on a vacation all by myself? I mean, if you were here now, it would have been better. Look, I really wish you were here. I guess I just need to find a way to sort out myself.
Don't worry, I'll be back before you know it, okay? You don't miss me too much. Silly girl.
Okay. My regards to your parents, okay? Bye. Another day of boredom. No friends. Edna says in a month's time. God, that's too far.
Ma, you say you wanted to see me.
Yes, there is something I want you to do for me.
Okay. What is it?
I want to put up one of the rooms for rent.
One of the rooms in this house?
Yes.
Why, if I may ask?
This house is just too big for one person to live in it.
Well, that's true. Okay, I will get someone and I will bring the person to you.
But this is very important. I don't want this person to know that I own this place. I just want the both of us to live here as tenants. And my identity must be kept confidential. Please.
Okay, no problem.
Can I count on you?
Why, you can. Your secrets are safe with me.
One more thing. I have an emergency to attend to for about a week. So I'm going to leave my keys behind just in case you find this tenant before I return.
Okay, no problem. I believe that's all. I would like to take my leave now.
You don't want something to drink, eat, or anything?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Cass Lewis on the beat.
They call me Afro. This life not like this life not
Where is that noise coming from? Is it coming from the house?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't understand. Who is in there?
Madam, now that agent, now him bring person. He can't tell me say you need person. Now the person dey inside.
Are you kidding me?
When I show up, in my guys don't come on, I come for you. Oh yeah, fresh boy, I'm looking dapper, feeling like thunder.
Do you want to bring down this house with your loud music? Why are you disturbing the neighborhood?
Is that why you stopped my music? Wait. I hope you're not that flatmate. Because I hate troublesome people like you.
Did you just call me troublesome?
Well, that is what you just displayed.
What I hate the most is noise from noisy people. And you, young man, must learn not to disturb others and me just to comfort yourself. Rubbish.
Wait. Is this the tenant I'll be living with? Ah. Right on time. Or day. Make I day my day. If not, this house don't go contain us, so... Go off my music. Hey. Such disrespect. You trying to say you didn't see me? Don't you know how to greet?
Wait. Are you talking to me with that accent?
It is you I am talking to. Who else is here? Huh? You don't know how to greet.
Maybe you want me to roll on the floor and greet you before you know you're supposed to cover that thing you call a chest. Do you think you're living in this house by yourself?
Ooh, what does my body got to do with this? Don't tell me you tripping.
Tripping for what? That bullshit thing you call a chest. Come on, get and go and put on something. Look at you.
Oh, someone is tripping.
You wish.
Tripping.
Nonsense.
Tripper.
Rubbish. Come on, get out.
Hey, why you screaming my name like that?
Oscar!
Excuse me, young lady. What is it? Why do you want to bring down the house with your voice?
What did you do with those plates?
What kind of a question is that? Isn't it obvious? I ate in those plates.
And so, who do you expect to clean up that mess? Just look at how dirty this kitchen is. Or do you have a maid in this house?
Now you watch your mouth. You're just my flatmate and not my mother.
Then you should know that you're not the only one living in this house. So please go get yourself a pot and stop using my things and having pride attached to it as well.
Oh. I see where all this unnecessary drama is coming from. Because I use your cheap-looking cooking utensils to cook? Huh? Is that why you're blabbing? How much are these? I can buy 10 times of these ones, okay? As a matter of fact, let me just order one now because...
Fine. Go ahead and order it right now.
Yeah, I'm doing
All I know is that you're washing those things here and now.
I am doing...
Rubbish.
This is why I don't like staying in apartments with women. Always troublesome.
What did you say? You said we are troublesome, right? I actually put on your shirt and you ignored that. Listen to me. You see that thing you're looking for? That thing you're looking for, you're not going to find it. Do you hear me? All I know is that you're washing those dirty plates. Dirty flatmate.
Say whatever you have to say and be fast about it. I have mails to reply.
Sit.
I'll stand.
Whatever, suit yourself. The reason for this discussion is to share the house chores between the both of us.
What?
Yeah, because I cannot be the only one doing all the house chores in this house.
Okay, can you go straight to the point? What am I supposed to be doing?
Here is your duty roster.
And why are you starting with me?
You have to follow it the way it is written.
So, I'm to clean the 2 living rooms, kitchen, visitors' washroom for a week.
Why are you crying over that matter? Look, that is to ensure that this house is kept clean. If you could keep that kitchen dirty, only God knows how dirty your room will be.
Now you watch your mouth. Whatever I do in my room is none of your business.
Well, we have to keep this house clean.
What if the owners walk in here unannounced? Would they be happy to see this house this way? No, if this was your house, would you be happy to see it dirty?
Do whatever pleases you.
That's your own. I've said what I've had to say. Pig.
Why would you drop that in my room? You couldn't even knock. That's my room, you know?
Just do what it says on that roster.
Watch me.
If you like, don't do it. Pig.
What is it?
Is it that you cannot smoke in your room or what?
Please, don't start.
What do you mean by I should not start? What if I walked in here with a visitor?
How is that supposed to be my problem? Huh?
Oscar, have a little shame in your life, please. For crying out loud, you're not the only one living in this house. Besides, I hate the smell of that.
Woman, can I have peace in the house I paid money with?
My name is Lydia, not woman.
To hell with your name. What is your problem? Huh? You're not my girlfriend to be getting all this drama from you. Can you just mind your business? What is it?
I am the caretaker of this house. That is the agreement between myself and the landlord. So I've set out some rules and regulations that you will not be exempt from. So you will not be smoking in this house in its entirety.
Let that agreement remain between you and your landlord. I am telling you once again, do not interfere in my affairs again.
Listen to me. If you're not careful, I'm going to serve you a quick notice. Be guided and be warned. You think I'm joking? Smoke again in this house. Stupid, stupid. Hello, Edna. I'm okay.
Why are you sounding like that? What is it?
I gave her one of my rooms to A. I don't even know what to call him.
You did what? Hey, why would you do such a thing? It's not like you even need the money.
Yeah, I know, but that's what boredom has caused me. It gets so tiring living in this house all by myself. But the guy does not know that I own this place though, so...
A guy? You give your house out to a man?
Yes, I did. Okay, Mr. Pascal gave him to me. Okay, but this guy is such a pain in the butt.
If it's so much of a pain in your butt, why don't you just refund this money and let him move out?
Auntie,
Go easy, okay? He just moved in. Alright? Now back to you. When are you coming back?
In which time, I guess?
What do you mean by, like, I guess? Like, what's that supposed to mean? Wait, you want to stay at your father's house and finish their food or something?
It's none of your business, okay? I want to add some flesh. Add more flesh before I come back.
Wait, the one you already have is not enough for you.
It is not enough. Mind your business, sis.
Whatever. Madam, take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye. Stupid idiot of a guy. Oh.
Hello, baby. The love of my life. My everything. How are you? I'm good. Just missing you like crazy. Baby, I need to see you. I miss you. You know what I mean now? Yeah! When are you coming to see me? When are you coming to see your boy? Tomorrow? Are you serious? Yes! Perfect, baby! I'll send you the address, okay? Just come and check out my new place so we can tangle. We're gonna rumble. We'll go crazy. Okay, baby. Look sexy, don't forget. No panties, no bra. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Did you care for some?
Did I ask you for anything?
Oh. Sorry, May I enjoy my plantain. Baby! Wow! I missed you too. Come. Look at you. Oh my God! You look so nice.
Thank you.
Oh my God, baby, I missed you so much. This place is beautiful. Oh yes. Welcome to my humble abode. Okay. This is the new crib. It's beautiful. Oh, babe.
Yeah?
Meet my flatmate, Lydia.
Okay.
Lydia, meet my baby, my sweetness, my chocolate drop. Mwah.
Hi, nice to meet you. Oh, wow. Okay.
The next time you want to think about bringing somebody over, you have to seek my approval first to know if you can bring that person over or you take them somewhere else.
Wow.
Is she okay?
Look, don't mind her, okay? She's just a very troublesome flatmate.
What's the last statement for me?
Baby, just ignore her, okay? Ignore her.
How are you coping with her?
Don't let her spoil our mood, please. Okay, let's go. Let me take you
It's
upstairs.
irritating.
I know, very irritating. Eh? Oh, shut up! What is it?
Is it a marathon race?
What is your problem?
You guys are disturbing me. I cannot even sleep.
What is it?
And you, must you shout? Must you scream for everybody to know that you're making out? I cannot even sleep.
Was I that loud? I didn't realize.
Auntie, you were very loud. Please reduce your volume so that I can go to bed. I have work in the morning, please.
Hey, is it our fault that you don't have a boyfriend?
Babe, come on, don't say that.
And who told you that I don't have a boyfriend? For your information, my boyfriend is not around. So mind your damn business.
Oh, he's not around. But my girl is here, so I need to go back and finish what we started. You understand? Baby? Let's go inside. Let's leave this lady.
We'll turn it down.
We'll not turn it down, baby. That's awesome. You were like the head of the choir. You're singing so loud. Give me that soundtrack. Give me the soundtrack. Are we going for a rematch?
Again? Are you sure it down?
Oh! Don't worry, this time it's not going to be hip hop, it's going to be R&B. Last night we did. Hey, baby, no, but it was me. Baby!
You're crazy.
I didn't do anything. Take it now.
The electricity bill is out.
I'll pay for it.
That's your business. I'm just informing you.
I said I will pay.
Hey, come on, move your car. I want to go to the airport and pick somebody. Go. Come on, move your car.
They even think they are cute together. Homo erectus and ape.
Hello? Hey, Edna. I'm actually on my way to come pick you up right now. Yeah, I'm about to go out. Oh, I shouldn't bother. Okay, you're already on your way. You're almost here. Okay, that's fine. I'll just wait for you then. Alright, I can't wait to see you. I'm coming. Finishing your parents' food. Come on, sit down.
How can you say something like that?
Talk.
It's impossible.
How have you been? How are your parents?
They're fine. They send their regards.
Babes, I have missed you.
I miss you too.
Oh, God.
Baby, I'm not happy.
No.
Why didn't you let me drop you?
I told you not to worry. You
Why?
need to rest after going through all of that, you know.
But I still want to drop you.
It's fine. The cab guy is outside already.
I'm not happy with you. You know that.
Sorry.
So tell me, how was your vacation?
Is that your flatmate?
Yes, he is, and that's his girlfriend.
Babe, so you have that kind of guy in this house?
I don't understand. What's so special about him?
Are you blind? Can't see that that guy is handsome. See his chisels abs, his chest, his
Please, please. He is not handsome to me. Okay, so stop all this hyping. What's that?
This guy, you're too hard to please. If there was a third party in this house, he or she will tell you that that guy is drop dead handsome.
Handsome?
Yes!
And so what? And so?
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry. I am Edna, Lydia's friend.
Oh, Lydia's friend. I never thought she could have a friend. Anyway, Oscar is the name.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'll be in my room.
Oh my God, I love this tattoo.
Auntie, when you're done fooling yourself, you know where to find me.
What did I do wrong? I was just saying hi to your friend. Lydia! See, don't tell me this is how you welcome you.
I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. You don't care when I eye you, girl. If I see you, I go to salivate, meditate, body go rotate, communicate because I want date. As you find, I saw you, there's my shine. You did scatter my brain. When I saw you, I know you're mine. Girl, you don't make me go low. Oh, you wine, I'm girl. Oh, you shake, I'm girl. Oh, you roll, I'm girl. Wine him, you shake him. Oh, you wine, I'm girl. Oh, you shake, I'm girl. Oh, you roll, I'm girl. Wine him, you shake him. I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. Hey, I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. Hey, I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. Hey, I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. Hey, I will take you to mama. She say, "Kind yawa." So we go see my papa. Yeah, make we do faster. So I go take you to altar. You know I love you, love you, love you, girl. I'm not gonna joke with you. I wanna be with you. You are the best among the rest. Even if they put me to test, I go still choose you, choose you, choose you, choose you, girl.
No. No, I am sick. I'm sick and tired of this. What is all this now? This is the height of it. This is exactly what he did the first time he arrived here. The same thing. I need him out of this house.
Calm down, okay? Calm down. Take it easy. Besides, you caused all of this. You wanted company.
Listen, I wanted someone to keep me company, not someone who would turn my house into a party ground.
It's okay, okay? Take it easy, alright? You can't just go and ruin his party. Just calm down, okay? When everything is done, you can have a conversation about it. Besides, now you want flatmates. You don't see flatmates now.
Anna, it's not funny. Do you hear me? It's not funny.
Sorry, I know they laugh. Sorry. Let's go.
You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? Dirty plates everywhere. Look what I have to deal with this useless guy.
Not that bad.
God, I hate this guy.
No, babe, don't say that, okay? You don't have it in you to hate anybody. Alright, don't say that. But, why is it that this your flatmate? All his friends are musculine, broad shoulders, tall, just like him?
Yeah, make we do faster. So I go take you to altar. You know I love you, girl. I'm not gonna joke with you. I wanna be with you. You are the best among the rest. Even if they put me to test, I go still choose you, girl. I love you, girl. Oh, you wine, I'm girl. Oh, you shake, I'm girl. Oh, you roll, I'm girl. Wine him, you shake him. Oh, you wine, I'm girl. Oh, you shake, I'm girl. Oh, you roll, I'm girl. Wine him, you shake him. I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me in the mood. Hey, I'm in love with you, girl. You did take me over the moon. Hey, I would die for you, girl. You did always put me.
Musa, when did the mechanic say he's going to bring the car?
Hey, Oga, him just asked me for the key.
He just asked you.
Yes, sir.
And you just give him. Eh? This is not only open gate and close arm. Now you did here. Huh? Oh, I'm waiting. What do you want to talk?
Open the gate, I'm going now.
Okay, ma'am.
Baba, may you just open this gate. Open fast. Let's go come collect something. You don't go ask when you go bring it. You go just give him. Close it.
Oh boy. This your flatmate, I been a roommate. She know the greet person before she pass. I be we don't invisible for her eye.
That one. Wait. You dey expect me to greet you?
Hey, I don't understand. No, normally as person we get home training, if you come outside, hi, hello, good morning, how you doing? I be as we big like this, we don't small. Eh?
What did you expect from small brat? Huh? Nothing. I beg leave that one, make sure they go.
Now so she did do. How do you guys cope in this house together?
I don't get time for that girl, though. Everybody they mind their business. But that girl, arrogant, die. No wonder she don't get boyfriend.
For real? She don't get boyfriend?
Check him now. This girl, she go fit get boyfriend. You be guy, check him. Which guy go tolerate this nonsense?
Child. Fine girl for that matter.
You see what?
A fine girl now, no boy.
Which one? This girl? This girl fine for your eye. How you gonna talk that kind of thing now?
Which kind of talk with that? You know get eye. Forget say she get bad character, yes, but she fine now.
This wine.
She get shape.
This one fine. Hold on.
Nothing that you are supposed to look, sef. This your eye go big like this. You know they use that.
Eh, my eye big. I dey see well. Now they tell you say the girl no fine. See your eye small. You know they see well.
I dey see well. Now they tell you say the babe makes sense. She
Follow
fine.
no
Now
road. I dey see the road. The girl no fine.
the girl fine. I just say she no get character.
Jonathan, right on time. Finally. Yo, Joe, what's up?
Honey! My darling! My darling! Oh my God! I've missed you so much.
I've missed you so much too, baby.
I missed you. How have you been?
So much, baby.
Come here, come right this way. Come
Okay.
this way. Come here, have a
Alright.
seat. Have a seat.
Okay.
Oh
alright.
my darling, I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too. But wait a little minute, baby. You're looking prettier than the last time I met you.
My darling, take a good look at me.
Okay.
Your money is doing pretty well
You can
on
say
me.
one more time, baby.
One more time.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Oh, babe, before I
Okay.
forget,
Alright.
meet my flatmate Oscar, and Oscar, meet my darling Elvis.
It's nice meeting you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
I'm sorry, I hope we're not the ones chasing you away.
Oh, no. I just want to rest.
Better for you. Oh, my darling. How have you been? Sorry, let me feed you with this. I know you must be very thirsty. Here you go.
Okay.
So this girl has a boyfriend. This guy is really trying, oh. Like, who wants to date a troublesome woman like her? That guy should better run for his life, oh, because, well, why am I even bothering myself? It's not like the guy is finer than me. Just take a good look at me. Spec like me. Can she afford me? Swag.
Ma, I believe we have achieved your aim. So what next?
What do you mean by we've achieved my aim? Let's continue.
Okay.
Oh my God, I missed you
I missed you too,
so
darling.
much, so much.
I missed
You have
you.
to tell me all about your trip.
Oh, really? I wouldn't tell you later now.
Are you serious?
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God.
Oh, girl, baby. You know what? I miss you, baby.
Really? So tell me, how was your trip?
It was beautiful.
Really?
You know, I had fun.
Okay.
You know, it was just cool.
Wow.
I made more money, baby.
What did you bring for me?
I'll tell you later. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
Yeah. it's
Are
a
you
surprise.
serious?
Yeah,
Oh,
surprise.
I know. I cannot wait.
I was just thinking, Mauricio Pochettino in the forward positions, there's no reason to change the...
What is wrong with this guy now? Just pass the ball. Pass the ball. Is that a problem?
It's the entire person.
Ha.
Hey, guy. I've not seen your flatmate in a while. Is she around?
Which flatmate?
Which one be which flatmate? How many flatmates you get, man?
I don't know. She go there with her boyfriend now.
Wait. She has a boyfriend.
Yeah, she has a boyfriend. And the most annoying part is the guy is always in this house.
Always in this house doing what?
How am I supposed to know that? What's funny?
Yeah, no vex you, but at this point, I don't know if it's the football or your flatmate, because you sound so pained, bro.
For what? Why would I be pained?
I don't know, I'm just saying.
The guy don't reach me. Just wait and see the guy. The guy has bleached himself, very fat. Pained. Are you serious? Pass! Hey! God. Why do you look at me like that?
Oh, what? These eyes where they see like this, so. You sure say never they like that girl?
What is wrong with you? What kind of a question is that? Huh?
You sound like someone that does. I'm just saying, bro.
You are mad.
You don't stand.
If not for the fact that you are my friend, I would have asked you to leave this house. You are still laughing.
Wait, what was that supposed to mean? Oh no, what was that supposed to mean?
See,
Oh yeah, I can relax, no vex, it's okay.
Make you not ask me that kind of question again.
Calm down now. Why you they take am so personal? Relax now.
That's the watch boy, the talk side. Who they like the girl? Who? This one?
You sure say your mind did this boy?
Hey! Oh!
You sure say that this boy they do?
Given the one he's already stuck past there, you can
What's your problem?
Okay, let's watch.
The skipper. It's a floater to the far stick.
Which club they
Good
play?
chance that. It's a really good chance.
You don't get eyes. You don't see who they play.
Which club they play?
Yeah, really good chance to go 3-0. Just a little shove on Wan-Bissaka.
Oh my darling.
Sweetheart.
Babe.
Yes, darling.
You were.
It was hard, right?
You were wonderful.
I told you.
It was so
It's so
sweet,
sweet, right?
darling. Oh, my darling.
Yes,
it was so great. Oh my God. I didn't want it to stop. It was amazing. Right?
Yes, darling. Okay.
My darling.
Sweetheart.
You were truly amazing. So amazing. I didn't want you to stop, babe. Darling.
Yes.
I didn't want you to stop. Sweetheart.
Baby.
Look, I didn't want you to stop, dear.
Sweetheart.
Darling.
Yes.
Listen, you know what?
Okay.
I want you to come over again.
Definitely.
So that you can do this over and over and over again.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my gosh, babe. Listen.
Yes, sir.
I really miss you because I didn't want you to go. I don't want you to go.
I miss you so much, so baby.
Come on. Wait. Babe. My darling, please don't go. I don't want you to go. Please.
Babe, I understand, but I had to go have love walk now.
But babe, please. I need you to stay for some time. Please, babe.
Sweet, I wish I could stay, but I had to go. Okay, I'm going to promise you something. Okay? After the close of work, I'll come. Alright?
Honey, I wish you could just stay. I wish you could just stay, babe.
I have to go, babe. I have to go. Okay?
Why?
I'll come back now.
Okay, let me see you. But it's not fair. It's really
I
not
know
fair.
you can't do without me. I'm coming.
It's not
Alright.
fair.
I'll come back, baby.
I don't like what you're doing. It's not fair. I'll do a transfer of your balance into your account.
Ma, you did very well, pretty well. I really enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed myself.
You did not enjoy yourself. You did what you were asked to do. And listen to me. Anytime, any day, it happened. Am I clear?
I've heard you, ma. But I would love to come around someday.
I'll inform you about that later. Day your day, make I day my day. Day your day, make I day my day.
Can you stop singing out loud?
How is this your problem? Was I singing for you?
Oh, you think you can sing for me with this horrible voice?
Oscar, what is your problem? Why are you attacking me?
Why won't I attack you when you and your boyfriend refused to let me sleep the other day? No, it's funny. If I was the one, you would bring this roof down.
Wait, is that why you're in pain?
Look, take this advice from me, okay? Let me give you this piece of advice. You see that boyfriend of yours? He's ugly, fat, and bleached. Of all the men in this city, you chose an ugly boyfriend? Scheisse! You should be ashamed of yourself.
But the guy is fine now. Or is he saying all of this out of jealousy?
Wow. You like the place? It's beautiful. Thank you. Decor, right? Yeah. Wait till you see the bedroom. Soft. Where magic is going to happen. And see, lest I forget, yeah? Avoid anybody you see in this house, because of trouble. Anybody at all. Okay? Okay, good. Now let me get you in here so we can rock and roll. Come here, come here.
God. What is all this? So this guy is a womanizer. What have I gotten myself into with this kind of flatmate? Okay. Okay.
Is that body for me?
All for you, baby. All for you.
Come. Let me have a taste of this body. Oh, wow. This is just perfect for the night. Moon in the dark. Come, let's continue, baby.
My friends, don't touch me. Continue what? There's no light. I need to see where I am entering.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? How do you expect me to pick a girl from the street and sleep with her without lights? Are you not seeing what's happening on social media?
So what do you mean by what is happening on social media? Did you bring me here to insult me?
My friend, you can say whatever you want to say. You know, consign me.
Okay, on your generator.
I don't have generator.
What do you mean by you don't have common generator?
What is your business? The lights in this house never goes off. This is the first time this is happening, and how am I sure it is not you that is causing all of this?
Ah, God. Imelda, what will you not see from this man? See, go and on your generator because I cannot sleep with this heat.
See, sleep or get out. Don't give me pressure.
Okay, let's continue. I've on my torchlight. Let's use my torchlight.
This is not light. This is phone light.
Okay, let's continue.
My friend, I said, what is your problem?
Hey, see me see wahala. Oh yeah, na my money. As you know what do now, may you send me my money.
Just shift first.
It decrease.
Shift, let me see.
Okay, pay me, Joe. Wait till me this one.
You're in my house, you are shouting.
You never, you say shout. You never see crazy. I will show you crazy now. You go see him now.
You want to shout in my house?
Man, come on, give me my money. Wait till me this
My
one.
friend, shift. What did they worry you?
Give me my money, pay me.
I will break your head. See, don't push me again. What is your problem? You're pushing. Why are you pushing me? Come and be going. Come and be going.
You know you're a very shameless man. So there's light here and there's no light in your room.
Is it me you're talking to like that? Is something wrong with your head?
You're a very wicked person.
In my own house?
You're a very shameless person.
Okay, come and be going. Come and be going.
Don't push me again. Don't try it to.
You're pushing
Don't
me.
push me again.
In my own house. Look at this. Come on, get out of this house. You're pushing me. As what? Come on, be going.
Come and give me my money.
Which money?
Come and give me my
Have I
money.
not finished paying you?
Paying who?
What did you do? What?
Let me out. I'm going to deal with you. I'll deal with you. Let me alone.
You can't do anything.
Let me alone.
You can't do anything. Man, come on, get out of this place. Get out, get out. Linda. Why did you disconnect my light?
I have every right to do so since you refused to pay.
You have no right whatsoever to do that. Are you the owner of this house? You are just a tenant. Why do you always find ways to get me angry? Lydia, are you a witch?
It is your family members who are all witches. Why didn't you pay when I asked you to?
Can't someone forget anymore? Huh? I hate the fact that I am sharing this apartment with you.
And you think I'm happy having you here in this flat? A womanizer like you?
What? What did you just call me?
I called you a womanizer. That is what you are. I picture your girlfriend, that is if you have any.
You're very shameless.
Back to sender. It is you who is stupid.
You don't have respect.
You don't have respect.
You're mad.
Crazy.
Are you guys playing?
Play what? You better talk to your friend. Talk to him.
Easy. Say, go and connect my light back home. Guy. Go and connect my light back. Else this is what you have started. We will see how it's going to end.
Wait, you think that I am scared of you? I am not scared of you. Do you hear me? This is just the beginning. You will see. Just watch and see.
Look at this small rat. Look at this small witch.
Guy, calm down.
Can you imagine?
What did happen now?
No, I have to deal with this girl. See me, came back last night with my girl. Enter room, we won't come start our thing. Light just went off. The girl just got angry, embarrassed me, insulted me. Only for us to come out this morning to see light everywhere. Only my room, no light. This rat disconnected my light. See, I come.
Oscar.
No. Wait, I come.
Oscar, you need to calm down. Oscar, you need to calm down. That's what these people they live for you. Blood of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Hey, my sister, Lydia. Good afternoon, ma. How is the family? Sorry, please. Whatever the situation is, you guys can settle this.
See, listen to me. Talk to your friend. You better talk to your friend. Tell him that I am not a piece of meat he thinks he can chew easily. I am not. Let him be guided. You better talk to him. Talk to your friend.
He does not think you're a piece of meat he can chew. Please. You guys can settle this amicably. No need for all of this. Please calm down. What's really going on here? That's what these people did. What did you just say you did?
You heard what you heard.
Musa!
You know why she's calling Musa, right?
What's my business? Huh? What is my business?
Musa! Musa! Musa!
Madam!
Did you pump water today?
Madam, I pump water. I even pump the water full, even they pour for grand.
Then how come water is not running in my bathroom?
Madam, I see your girl's car. They go backyard. Be like say, he go do something.
You know what? Go to the backyard. Try to see if you can undo what he did, okay? Go there now, fast!
Okay,
go. Musa just told me you went to the backyard. Are you not ashamed of yourself? So you want to challenge a woman, right?
Why are you bittered? I thought you said it's a game.
So you really want to challenge a woman? Don't worry. I will teach you what you don't know. Just wait.
There's nothing to teach me.
Okay.
You can't teach me anything.
You will see.
There's nothing in that head. There's nothing you can teach me.
You will see.
What's the word this girl?
In this house.
No, which woman? What can you teach me? Look at this small man, so say you want to teach me something. My friend,
Where you going?
leave me.
Do you want to fight her? She's a
I
woman.
said she leave me.
You
What's
want
the
to
problem?
fight her? She's a Oscar, wait.
Don't touch me. Come and teach me that lesson.
Oscar.
Come and teach me. Come on there. You go this way. As boss. Are you getting this house? How much do they pay rent for this place?
So this
Yes, you're a very bad cook. A very bad one.
Really?
After all the money I gave you to cook for me,
Really?
you know how much I gave you?
But you used to enjoy my cooking. How come this is bad?
I did not enjoy this one. This one you cook for me. It's called poison. Yes!
Oh my God.
18K gone down the drain.
Oscar.
For what?
Oscar. Oh my God. I don't want to ever hear from you again. Don't ever call me. I don't want to see you in my house. In fact, this relationship is over.
Look at this one. You will not even see my network on your phone.
Get out!
Get you to get out!
Get out!
Get out of my house!
Get out!
Tell me I shouldn't call you again. Huh? Who are you? Oh, come on, go, get out, get out. Get out of this thing. Get out. Go. Come on, get out. I'll push you. Is this your house? Cook poison for me, say you cook food. Nonsense. How do you expect me to eat that kind of a food? Huh? You're too close now. What's the problem? Think I have to...
So like this, you and your babe don't break up.
Point of correction. Now she break up with me.
Well, that one concern you. I just can't believe you guys broke up because of food. Ordinary food.
So?
Just one mistake.
That food was poison. You know what I give that girl to prepare that food? 18K. Why I no go vex?
But she has been the one cooking the one you've been eating, and you've not complained. Just this one time she made a mistake and you just, I don't even know. Don't you know sometimes it depends on somebody's mood?
You know, I can't think this whole thing, I just suspect that Jezebel. That Jezebel get hand in this thing.
Which Jezebel are you talking about?
Who else is a thorn in my flesh in this house? Besides Lydia.
Wait. Are you saying that Lydia has something to do with this?
Why go to talk like you don't know what's happening for this house? What did they worry you?
Then if she has something to do with this, why you can't they pursue your own babe? See the person waiting for the attack for you. Okay, call your babe back and
I said I do suspect her. Now what I talk with that? Suspect. I'm not talking that she do one. You know what I talk?
Guy, at this point, I don't even understand you anymore. First, you said it's your girlfriend. And now you're saying it's Lydia. Guy, pick one now. Pick one. Who are you picking, bro? Anyway, I feel like you guys should settle this whole whatever that's going on before it gets to another level. I'm just saying. I don't want to hear...
You don't do now. Hi Edna, how are you?
Hi.
You look really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you here to see your friend?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I'm actually heading out.
Okay.
Alright, you take care.
You too.
Babe, what's up?
Did you come here to see me or Oscar?
Babe, he was the one who opened the door. You don't expect me to not exchange pleasantries with him? It was just a friendly one. Babe! Oh yeah, sorry.
I've heard you.
I said I'm sorry.
I have heard you.
Hold on now. I am sorry.
I've heard you.
Okay, but what exactly is the problem? Why all this drama?
Look, I regret getting a flatmate. That guy is a problem. In fact, I'm going to call Mr. Pascal right away.
Hold on. What exactly is the issue? What has he done?
You see this guy? He does a lot of things that disgust me. He leaves the kitchen dirty every time and then he humanizes a lot. He is just a big problem.
Okay, well, just try and ignore all those things, okay? When his rent expires, he will live on his own.
I cannot wait for that long. I will not.
Babe, try now. Try. At least just try.
Wait, Edna. Are you saying all this because you like him?
Me? Like that masculine broad guy? Not me, I don't like him.
And I see you. See, this your eyes. You're such a crook, you.
But just ignore him.
Oh,
but it's fine, Sha.
Babe. I beg. Why are you looking at me like that?
Am I?
What do you mean by am I? And you're still looking at me. Why?
Are you going out?
What kind of question is that? Of course I'm going out. Do you have a problem with that?
No. I was just asking. She looks so beautiful.
Don't waste my time again.
So you drink? Women and characters. Damn. Such a pretty face. With a troublesome character.
Listen, girl, that party was lit. Yeah. No, look, let me tell you something. I think we should go there more often. Look, thank you so much for bringing me home last night. I really appreciate you, girl. Thank you. All right. Take care. I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.
Hey, my guy. Alpha. Baba, Hey, I want to ask you one question, yeah? Do girls that act like saints get drunk? No, I'm just wondering, no, because how can a girl that acts like a saint come home last night drunk? Eh? Oh, okay. All right. I'll call you later. Don't worry. I will get out.
Who told you that I am a saint?
Oh, you're not a saint? That means you smoke. Because last night you were smelling of different things when I was taking you upstairs to your room. I nearly threw up.
Wait. What did you just say?
I took your drunk self to your room.
Wait, I hope nothing else happened.
My friend, don't flatter yourself. What were you expecting to happen?
Well, I don't know because I couldn't find my shoes or my feet.
Which feet? And which shoes? These feet that couldn't even carry yourself upstairs. Look, let me tell you something. I can never take advantage of a lady in that state. And besides, look at yourself. You're not my type. Why would I want to do anything with you?
You know what? I don't blame you. Did you hear me? A speck like me. Look, forget the fact that we share this apartment. Do you hear me? If you see me on the streets, let me tell you, you will not be able to approach me. I can assure you that.
Look at this one. My friend, say thank you and stop this drama that you are doing.
You are sick in the head.
Say thank
Get
you.
out!
Drama queen.
Oshe drama queen.
Look at you.
Oh my God. It's not right to say thank you.
Rubbish. Shut up. Get out.
Respect, oh my God. Respect. Zero spec.
Look at her. Later she'll be claiming she's a saint. I'm definitely not in love with Lydia. That's not going to happen. That girl is just mannerless.
Madam, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Madam, what happened to your car?
The car is not starting. I don't know what the problem is.
Okay. Madam, I been get small knowledge. Make I check out.
Musa, are you sure? Are you sure you know what to do? See anything?
Madam, yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
If where you're going is very important, I can drop you.
Did I ask for your help? How am I sure you're not the one responsible for this?
Can you move your car out because I need to drive out?
Are you serious right now? Can't you see that my car has a problem? And Musa is under the car, so you have to wait for him to finish.
Are you serious? I should wait for Musa to finish working on your car before I drive out. Is something wrong with your head? If rats have chewed your wires, what has that got to do with me? Huh? Look, I have an appointment, okay? Not everyone is unlucky like you. Myself, move this car from this place so I can go. Musa, come out from that place. What do you think you are doing? Are you a mechanic?
You obviously don't know how to talk to your elders.
Who's my elder? Do you have mirrors in your room? Close this here and put this thing on neutral and let them push it out. Musa, open that gate. Look at her mouth. You can't find me. push this guy out. You hear me? Huh? Come, take this thing.
Drop me at the estate gate.
Say please, Mr. Oscar.
Please, Mr. Oscar.
It wasn't that hard, was it? Seatbelt. Please, tell her I'm not around, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
What's wrong with this one?
Excuse me, he's not around, he went out.
But I saw his car outside.
Does that mean he cannot go out without his car anymore?
Oscar said you're a very troublesome person. And with the look of things, you are.
You see? You must be very mad upstairs. Will you get out of here before I give an everlasting mark on your face? Are you okay? Are you alright? See this one.
Now me you dey follow talk. Now me you dey follow talk. You dey craze and I go cure that craze now. You go see am. You think say you get crazy back? What I go do you now, You know if you talk am.
Wait. Wait. You want cure my craze, Abi? You want cure my craze, Abi? You ain't mad? You ain't mad? Come on, get out of there before I scatter your head. Are you mad? Come on, get out! It's your stupid fool. Come on, get out! Nonsense. The craze. Fool. See this ape. Rubbish. Huh?
Has she gone?
You go around telling all those your stupid harlots that I am troublesome, right?
Is that why you're holding that?
I will use this thing, I will shatter it on your head and I will stab you with the remaining one. Are you crazy?
Shatawale, hold on.
Are you mad? You must be stupid! dusty this living room is. Is it that this guy cannot clean this place, like for once? It reminds me. I haven't seen him since last night.
Oscar, why didn't you clean? Oscar, is everything... What's going on? Oh my goodness, you're burning up. What's wrong? Sorry. Okay. You know what? Just calm down, okay? Have you had anything to eat? Like, oh, okay, just calm down. I'll be right back, okay? Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for saving me. Imagine you were not at home. It would have been something else. I didn't know you had a heart in there. I'm just joking. All the same, I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
You came home quite early today.
Yeah, well, I was upset earlier when I came back home and I realized that things in the kitchen were still dirty. So I decided to come into your room to find out why. Anyway, you know what? I'm going to take the day off tomorrow to make sure that you get better.
Are you going to babysit me?
Call it whatever you want, okay? I'm just going to do my best to make sure, you recover. Did I say anything wrong?
No, you did not. I never knew you could be this caring. You know you're always ready to devour someone.
Well, like they say, you don't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah, true. The food is tasty, it's just a little spicy.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's good for me because I'm not sour.
Yeah. Sorry. Just try to eat.
Come in. Hey.
Hey.
What are we celebrating?
Our friendship.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, since I came to this house, our neighbors are always hearing our voices. But now that we're friends, I think it should be celebrated. Let's have a toast to our new friendship.
To friendship.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, I've been meaning to ask, what about your family?
I don't have a family.
What do you mean you don't have a family?
I lost my parents last year to a car accident.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, no siblings?
I'm an only child.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. I mean, it's just me in my world.
Well, at least you have a boyfriend.
Which boyfriend? Oh, that boyfriend. Oh no, listen, I just hired the guy for the job. That was it.
Wait, what? You just hired him?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Yes, listen, you remember you were like trolling me with all your girls and stuff, so I had to hire someone to act as my boyfriend.
So you mean the sounds, the moans, the groans and everything, they were not real? You know you can be arrested for that.
Well, here I am, police officer.
You deserve an award. That was so good.
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet.
Why the look?
Just wondering why I never saw this beautiful side of you. Because you're always out there to devour someone like a lion.
Oh my goodness.
It's cute. I like
I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you.
Come in, the door is open. Hey, Jojo, my man. Hey.
Man.
What's up, man?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
I'm good. Good to see you.
Hello, Lydia.
Welcome, Jennifer.
Thank you. How you doing?
Fine.
Wait, so I'm a bit confused here. Are my eyes deceiving me or something?
No, they are not. Can you change that look on your face?
Wait.
What?
Is it not the two of you that like acting like cat and rats? That's now sitting here, all cozied up and looking like one newly married couple, watching a movie together. Wait, were you guys deceiving me before or something?
Look, let's just say the Lord's intervention happened. That's why we're like this.
See what they talk. You want to go to church? This is why you know God.
Look, Jonathan, just know that we are now friends, okay?
Honestly, I am shocked.
You know what? Let me offer you something, okay? I'll be right back. Excuse me.
Okay. Where for now?
What's it?
What's up now? What's happening?
What do you mean what's up?
Are you guys dating now?
No, we're just friends.
Which one? You're just friends. You're just friends and you're like this. Tell me this thing that you guys
I said we're just friends. Look, come.
It's something that's happening.
Hey,
You don't want to tell me what's happening.
Stop.
Tell me what's happening.
There's nothing happening. We're just friends. Come, I want to show you something.
Oh, yeah, she said she wants to go and
She will bring it to the room. Just come. Follow me.
Oscar, no.
Come.
My man. My man.
What?
Have you paid for the new house?
Oh, yeah. I forgot to tell you. I paid for it. The cleaners are going to finish next week, so I'm moving in, finally. I can't wait. I'm tired of paying for an apartment, man.
That's good.
What was that? Hey. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I hope you didn't hurt yourself.
You're moving out. Oscar, you're moving out and you did not even think to tell me.
Lydia, please. Open this door, let's talk.
Go away. I'm not interested in knowing anymore.
Look, I was going to tell you.
Just go.
Can you just hear me out?
Oscar, go away.
Please. Hey, Edna.
Hey, Oscar.
Longest time.
I know. I've been so busy. That's why I've hardly come around.
It's okay.
Where's Lydia?
Oh, she's in her room.
Okay. I hope both of you have not started your fight today.
No, not at all.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay, let me see her.
Okay.
You're looking so good.
They are shining.
You're not looking bad yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Babe, open up. Lydia. Hey. Babe, your call was urgent. What's wrong? Why are you like this?
Oscar will be moving out soon.
And? Is that why you're like this? I thought this was what you wanted now. Wait. Do you like Oscar?
Edna, we just became friends. And then I overheard him talking to one of his friends saying that he bought a house and he will be moving out soon.
But I don't understand. It's not the same person you hate so much. So after all the drama you've been displaying, you finally liked this guy. Hey, now what?
This guy is so wicked. Just when I have finally surrendered my heart to him. Now this.
Please don't surrender it too. Unsettle that heart because I'm not ready for any heartbreak drama, please. Are you sure this guy loves you too?
Now my heart is torn apart. I don't know what to do.
Why didn't you tell her you were moving out?
I was going to tell her, but I didn't know the right words to use or when to tell her.
Oscar, she's so hurt by this. She's heartbroken. You know she's in love with you. That's why this is hurting her this much.
Edna, she's your friend. Please tell me how to make her talk to me.
She's my friend though. But you know Lydia can be very difficult. I don't know, maybe you just keep trying. Maybe something will come up. Okay. Her door is still open, right? Just go there, knock, tell her it's you. Maybe she'll give you listening ears. Take care.
Okay, thank you very much.
Just take care.
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have lost my guard at first sight.
Lydia, it's me. Please, can I come in?
Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. 'Cause it seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly this is how it feels to be touched by love, to be touched by love. Yeah. Yes, it
Lydia.
seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly, this is how it feels to be touched by love, to be touched
You can't continue like this. You know that, right?
And you can't keep hiding things from me. I hope you know that as well.
I was meant to tell you, but...
But what, Oscar? What took you so long to tell me?
I'm sorry.
You know what? I don't have time for any of this. When you want to leave, you can leave peacefully.
Lydia. Lydia, I'm sorry. Okay? You can't continue to be silent. You can't continue like this. Huh? The silent treatment is not fair. Lydia, please. Lydia. 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 Come on. Don't do this. I said I'm sorry.
Mr. Pascal, why are you here?
Mr. Oscar asked me to come. He said he needs the landlord's number.
What for?
According to him, he has not stayed here up to a year. And I believe he wants to park out, so he needs a refund.
Mr. Pascal. Are you busy with me?
No, no.
Pascal, after all, how are you? Come, sit down, Alpha.
I'm fine, sir.
I need the landlord's number. You know I've not stayed up to a year and I'm moving out. Can you give me his number so I can call him? And also I want to meet him to thank him for allowing me to stay without seeing me in person and not asking what I do for a living. That is so rare.
Yeah. There's a little problem.
What's the problem?
That might not be possible now because the landlord is not even around. And talking about moving out, what I believe we're going to do is you can pack out. Then when I get another tenant to occupy the room, I will refund you from his own money that he will pay.
But this is a long process now. This is long. Mr. Pascal.
I will refund the money.
Did I ask you? What is your problem? Please just give me this landlord's number and remember me.
I am the owner of this place.
Lydia, please, I'm not ready for your jokes, okay? Guy, give me the number. Let me call this man.
She is your landlady. She is the owner of this house.
Mr. Pascal, is this your new way of scamming me or what? How is she the landlady? Huh?
Listen, I specifically told him and the gateman not to tell you that I own this place. I never needed your money. I just needed someone to come keep me company in this house in the form of a tenant. Because I was bored and lonely after my parents passed away. So I told him and he got you. I will give you your balance.
Miss Lydia, I'll be on my way now. Since you already told him you're the owner of this house, I believe the both of you can settle.
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. 'Cause it seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly this is how it feels to be touched by love, to be touched by love. Yeah, yes, it seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly this is how it feels to be touched by love, to be touched by love. Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have lost my guard.
Lydia, hurry up! We are late!
Falling helplessly for you.
Sure, stop. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Who let you in?
Please, let me explain.
I'll wait outside.
Edna, there'll be no need for that. Listen, I don't want to ever see you in my house ever again. If you step your foot in this place again, I will have you arrested. Now leave.
Lydia, let's just...
Leave! If you don't leave this place right now, I will call the estate security on you. Leave. Right now.
Oscar, just go. Okay, now it's not the right time.
Please.
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you.
I'm not watching. Hello? Yeah, hi. Who am I speaking with? Dennis. I'm sorry, which Dennis is this? Oh my god! Dennis! Longest time! Oh my goodness! Yes, I'm in town. Okay, no problem. I will send you the address right now. Okay, I can't wait to see. Oh my god, it's been such a while. Okay. Later. Alright. Okay, bye.
Yes, so Dennis, we are in town! Who was that?
My goodness. My childhood friend who traveled out of the country many years ago, he just remembered me today.
Wow.
Oh
So a
my
childhood
God.
friend I don't know.
Girl.
Are you sure this person is just a childhood friend?
Please hush. Let me send the address before I forget.
Eh?
Oh my goodness. I have missed him so much. Listen, we're very close when we were little. You would think that we have the same parents. Our parents were very, very close back then. Oh my goodness.
I think you're talking about my position.
Come on now. Nobody's going to take your position. You're my main person
Nobody
now.
better.
Look at you.
They better not take my position.
Oh, gosh, you. Wait, let me show you something. Hold on.
Dennis.
My God, Dennis. Wait, let me show you. Hold on. Look at this one. Wait. Are you the one in the... Are you in the black car? Ah! Dennis! Oh my
goodness!
Come here! Oh my God!
Oh my goodness!
It's been such a long time. Oh!
Guy, what?
What have you been eating? What have you been eating? Look at you! Look at you! Dennis, I cannot believe I'm finally seeing you again after all this while.
Guy,
oh my God, Dennis.
you look so good.
Thank you, you too. Wait, is that your car?
Oh no, come on. It's just Uber.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he'll be with me for the week. So,
For the week. Okay,
yeah.
in that case, let me move my car so that he can drive in, okay?
Okay, come on.
Get my keys. What?
You look good, I beg.
Really?
My goodness. What have she been eating?
Look at you. See
what have you been eating?
What have you been eating?
You've always loved food anyway, so come on.
Let me move the car so that your car can move in. He can move in, right? Dennis, I cannot believe this is you.
I am so surprised. I mean, come on. Come on, my goodness. goodness!
I know. It's
Come
been
here.
such a long time. It's been such a long...
Look, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. My mom told me what happened to your parents.
It's okay. It's fine. You know, it's one of those things. You know?
Come on!
You know what? Let's go inside. Let's go! Yo! Dennis! Come.
I love what I'm saying. My goodness.
You're not changed.
This is such a beautiful place. Really?
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly.
Guy, I don't understand you. I don't even understand you anymore. It's like you've forgotten that I'm a busy person and I have things to do. Since you brought me here, you've not even said anything. Huh?
Can you just calm down?
Calm down. Okay, why are we here?
To talk to Lydia. That's why we're here.
Lydia? The same Lydia that told you that she doesn't want to see you again. And you don't want to listen. Oh boy, respect yourself for once now, eh? That's why you take love this girl, Rich.
No, I don't love her. Which kind of stupid question with us? If I don't love her, we go there here.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you intend to do now?
I need to talk to her, but she's not giving me a listening ear. That's the problem.
Oh boy, free this girl. Free this girl now. Leave this, forget about this girl. Don't be like girls with the girls yakpa, girls choke everywhere. You go left, you go right. There are women everywhere. Free this girl now.
This I no try. Bro, I have tried, but this is the only girl that I find it so hard to forget. I don't know why.
Yeah,
I don't try, I don't clear, but it's the girl still here.
Guy, there's no girl that is not difficult to forget. See, if you go anywhere, girls, once you meet anyone, you forget any... Guy, look.
Look where?
Who are they citizens?
Huh?
Who are the citizens?
What's he talk?
Wait, come back. No be Lydia be that. Hey, wahala. No be the girl you say you dey wait for. She's already in another man's car. Obviously, she has moved on. The same girl you say you're waiting for.
Shut up.
Oh boy, Mo, they come out for here, John.
Can you just shut up? Let me think.
Okay, drive me come out for here. I have things to do. Mo, they go. See the babe you say you dey wait for. She don't enter another man can move. Say Mo. Guy,
what are you now?
I get work. Let's go. Leave this girl. Let's go. Huh? Mo, they go, guy. This guy safe. You funny, yo. Now you be this Oscar. Oscar, now you be this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't even bring wine. You're bringing water for me.
See your nose like wine. Silly girl.
Has Dennis gone?
Yes.
This your childhood friend is making you forget all about me.
Edna, come on.
Yes, now it's not true.
Wait. Am I sensing jealousy? Babes, are you not the one sitting right here with me?
Was I the one with you a few hours ago? Was I?
Dennis and I went out for lunch.
Why am I having a feeling that this Dennis is becoming more than a friend?
You this girl. Your thoughts are just out of this world all the time.
It's out of this world, but is it not true? Is it not?
Listen, madam, listen. We only went out for lunch. Nothing more. Besides, I mean, he's not acting, that way towards me. Yeah.
Oh yeah, how is he treating you?
Look, all I know is that Dennis is a cool and sweet guy. He's just being his usual self.
Eh? All I know is that Dennis is a cool and sweet guy. He's just being his hey God, I go love. I'm already sensing love inside this.
Which love?
I can feel it in my
Which
bones.
love?
See, you should better not take my position. That's all I am saying. You should be on his lane, JJ.
Nothing like that is happening.
But you have to give me proper introduction because this Dennis guy.
Madam, now we don't know.
Musa,
Madam.
what is it?
Madam, now one man will say him be delivery guy. Now he give me this bag, say make I give you.
Okay. Do you know who the sender is?
Madam, no, he no tell me.
I don't understand. So you took a package without knowing who sent it?
Sorry, ma.
You know, take that package outside. How many times did I tell you that you have to check to confirm who sent a package before you bring it into the house?
Yes.
Take it out. Go take it out.
Wait now, take what out? It's already here now. And let's just open it. Take it.
One day this guy is going to let a bomb enter this house.
Are you expecting anybody to bring bomb for you? Open this thing. Let's check what is inside. I'll open it too. Open. Hey, God. Oh my God.
Something else.
Oh my God, who sent this?
Let me see.
Oh my God, babes. Oh, so cute. Who sent it? Babes, this guy really loves you. See, he's not backing out.
Did he bribe you?
I don't understand. Where is that coming from? I better forget that thing.
No, because I am sure that he bribed you. Because I don't understand why you will be supporting a guy who constantly hides things from me. I don't get it. Like, what was it? Do you expect me to be happy?
I understand you. But you also need to look at things from his own point of view. Just, try and listen to me.
You know what? Bring those things.
Are you taking them?
Give me.
Wait. Babe, if you don't want them, I go carry them. Babe, wait now.
Welcome home.
Oscar, how did you get into this house?
Have you forgotten I was once a tenant? I still have my spare key.
Why are you here?
I'm happy you got my gift.
How dare you send me gifts, Oscar?
Lydia, it's high time you listen to me. I did not mean to cause all of this. The worst of it all is I can't get you out of my mind. And I got you that gift to soften your heart so you would hear me out.
You think that I'm one of those your girls? Those cheap things?
No. That is not what I meant.
Wait. Let me understand something. You did not want to tell me about your intentions because you felt that since we are now lovers, I would stop you from your numerous bad activities, right? Or you felt that I would detect your every move with all your women?
God forbid. How can you say that? Look, I never planned to keep this away from you. Everything happened so fast and I was waiting for the right time to tell you. Lydia. Are you serious? You kept my gift under the staircase?
Here, take it.
Why would you do that? It was a gift.
I don't need it. Take it.
Take it and get out of my house now. Take it now. One more thing. The spare key.
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet.
Get out.
I have lost.
Get out.
Lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. 'Cause it seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly this is how it feels to be touched by love, to be touched by love. Yeah, yes, it seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly this is how.
I lied to Lydia, so you have to be fast, okay? Why did you call me here?
Your friend has refused to talk to me.
Well, you're not the only one. Whenever I talk about you in that house, she fumes up. And you know she's hot-tempered. See, why don't you just, stop putting yourself through all this and just forget about her?
I have tried, but she's stuck in my heart. I blame myself for not telling her my plans.
But how could you afford to buy a house?
I recovered my money a friend stole from me when I was about to buy a house. Instead of being stranded and staying in another friend's house, I decided to rent a room and lay low until everything gets back to normal. I never knew our hearts will get involved like this.
Honestly, I don't think she's ready to talk to you, especially when someone else is already in the picture. And he's giving her the peace she deserves.
That reminds me. I saw her in a man's car the other day. Who was that?
That's a childhood friend who just came back from abroad.
Oh, sorry to ask, but...
Oscar, her reconnecting with her childhood friend is not the issue here. Okay? You have to focus on reconciling with her. That's what's more important. I have to go before she sees me here. Take care.
I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. Falling helplessly for you.
Yes, I sent the rider away. He brought the wrong item. What is it? You've been like this since morning.
Edna, I don't know if I am doing good for myself or just hurting myself the more.
How do you mean?
Each time I see Oscar, I get so angry. At the same time, when I send him away, I feel so much pain.
Okay, you know what? I think you should just listen to him. Okay? Let him explain to you why he planned on moving out without letting you know. If the reason is or isn't good enough, then you can follow your heart.
You think so?
Please just listen to him. Come on. Yes, we're almost there. Yes, we're in the car already. Now just keep the thing for us.
Hey, Dennis.
Yeah.
Hi. I wasn't expecting you.
Well, I wanted it to be a surprise.
Well, indeed, you surprised me. Edna met my friend, Dennis, my childhood friend I told you about, and Dennis met Edna, my friend.
Hi, Dennis. It's nice to finally meet
come
you.
Oh, come on. The pleasure is mine. You ladies are looking so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Well, I'm here now. Permit me to just steal a moment out of your time. Promise I won't take much.
Okay, cool.
Okay, well, I got you something. I hope you like it.
Wow, Dennis. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes. One more thing.
Okay, what is it?
You know, we've been friends for quite a long time, and I've always wanted to do this.
Dennis, what are you doing?
I'm doing what I should have done a long time. Lydia, I've always wanted to do this. We grew up together. I know you so well, as much as you've known me. But I've never had the opportunity to do this. Lydia, from the bottom of my heart, I want to share my life with you. I know you would make me the happiest man on earth. And that's why I want to ask, will you marry me? Say yes.
Yeah, Dennis, listen, I'm sorry, okay? I can't marry you.
Why? Do you have someone else?
No. But
don't you want us to be together?
Dennis, listen. Look, a lot is happening right now, okay? I'm just not ready for this, please. Dennis, please, can you please stand up? This is not necessary. Please, can you stand up, please?
You know what? It's fine.
What did you just do? Lydia, what did you just do? Lydia, I thought this was what you wanted. What did you just do?
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have no...
Babes, see. Okay, you know what? That's enough. All right, you've been out here pacing, moving from one point to another, trying to make a call. Are you expecting a call from someone?
He hasn't called all day. And that's unlike him.
But babes, you don't expect Dennis to call after you just turned him down. Okay, he's not going to do that.
I'm talking about Oscar.
Eh? What did he just say?
I believe you're not deaf. Or is there something you wanted to say?
Oh, so you want Oscar to call you after everything you put him through? Hey, my gender and Shakarasha.
Now go ahead and say what you want to say, okay?
Okay, you know, just calm down, alright? Let's go inside.
Enna, please let me be
Babes,
okay.
whether you're outside or not, if he's not going to pick your call, he will still not pick your call. So let's just go inside.
Edna, please. Just let me be, please.
Okay. If you say so.
I have lost my guard at first sight. falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you.
Bro, are you sure about this?
Jonathan, what is your problem?
Are you sure about
Stop it.
this?
Stop. Musa.
Oga, good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
Fine.
I beg, help me tell madam say you are there outside.
Oga, madam say make I no let you come enter this house again.
I know. But I beg you, may you tell him say you are there outside.
Oga, I no go fit do am.
Oga, enter inside, go call your madam. Which one to say?
What is your problem?
With your trouser away, carry.
Jonathan.
Like this.
Jonathan, stop. Musa.
Oga.
You know say it my guy. Huh? Now why they beg you? Just tell madam say I dey here.
Okay, Oga. But no come palo, dey here. Make I go call my madam.
Don't worry, I know we'll come inside. I will just wait.
Okay.
I'll call your madam.
Guys, stop now. What is your problem?
You know, see, it's the way you carry trouser. This way you carry trouser.
So what?
Carry trouser
So what?
like a cookie dough. This way you reach trouser for chest. If I put on for a neck.
Is the trouser your problem?
Who does that?
I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be.
Good afternoon, Oscar.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Oscar. Hi. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Edna, I'm tasty. Can I get water?
Oh, yes, come inside.
Why didn't you tell me?
That is what I've been trying to do, but you never gave me the chance. I was duped by my friend. A friend I asked to buy a house for me. The police has been on this case for so long for him to pay me back. He just did. And I didn't want to use the money for anything else, so I bought a house. Lydia, I'm sorry you had to find out this way. I love you so much. That is why I keep coming back. Please. Forgive me.
I forgive you.
You forgive me? Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
It's okay, stop shouting.
Hallelujah, somebody!
Stop shouting now. It's okay.
Hallelujah, somebody! Woo!
Calm down.
What?
Stop shouting.
Allow me, I beg. Allow me. My man. Yes. Wait, take her. You're the man. My sister, thank you. Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
You won't understand. He has not been himself all this while. Like, my man.
Really?
Finally. That's what I'm talking about.
Calm down now. Calm down.
It's okay, guys.
Okay.
We don't want another round of quarrel, please.
Exactly.
This calls for celebration.
Yes.
Can we take these beautiful ladies out?
Bro.
Yes, of course. I'll go out. I'll go out.
That's a brilliant idea. We need to do that ASAP.
Just go put on my shoes, get a bag or something.
Okay.
Oh, look
Oh my god.
You don't do it.
Relax.
You don't
no problem, man.
I
told you.
Man. I'm happy for you. Thank you. I'm happy for you. You trust. You fought, and now you have the victory.
Yes, the victory is mine.
day, sir.
Yeah, good day.
A package for your madam.
Okay. Use double. My madam dey inside.
Alright, thank you. Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
A package from Dennis, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dennis, why the gift?
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just.
Will you do me the honors to be my wife and go on this path with me?
Yes.
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 It seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly, this is how it feels to be touched by love, to be touched by love. Yeah, taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet. I have lost my guard at first sight. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. 'Cause it seems like magic, feeling butterflies.